Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. Let's continue with some conversational dialogues. The first one is about dealing with daily issues, addressing a colleague's frequent late time arrival at workplace. Kurt, can we possibly talk about your arrival times to work? Sure. What has happened? You have been coming late quite often lately. It's thus becoming a great concern. I'm sorry for that. I simply didn't realize it was that noticeable. It is. And in fact, it's affecting the entire team, such that meetings are delayed and work with core issues is piling up. I see. Let me tell you the reason. Traffic has been terrible for the last many days due to construction near my home. I understand. Have you considered leaving home earlier in order to manage the traffic flow? I could try that, yet I didn't want to arrive too early and waste time. Being early is better than being late. You could avail the extra time to prepare for the day. I see. You're absolutely right. I shall make it a point now, leaving 30 minutes earlier from tomorrow. That sounds credible. Let's review how it's going in a week, okay? Absolutely. Thank you for bringing this to my notice. I'll do better from now onwards. The next one is about asking for a replacement of damaged goods. I received this package only today, but got quite disappointed when I come to know that the contents are damaged. I'm really sorry to hear that. Can you please describe the detail? The vase I ordered is cracked, including some other decorative pieces are chipped. That's unacceptable. I apologize for the inconvenience caused you in this direction. Do you have the order number, please? Yes, it's order number 528788. Thank you. I have pulled up your order. We are liable to arrange for a replacement. That would be great. Could you tell me how soon can I get the replacement? We can definitely ship out a new vase and other decorative pieces by tomorrow. It will reach you within 3 to 4 business days. Great. What should I do with the damaged items? You needn't bother about it. We'll send you. You needn't bother about it. We'll send you a prepaid label to dispose them properly. I see. Will there be any additional cost involved for the replacement? No, not at all. We'll send the replacement without any cost and will also include a 10% discount on your next purchase as a goodwill gesture for the entire trouble. Let's move to the next one. It's about dealing with rude customer service. I have been on hold for 20 minutes and now you are telling me you simply can't help. Are you kind of testing my patience? This seems literally ridiculous. I apologize for your long wait and frustration. Could you please explain your issue again? I'll do my level best to address your issue and assist you precisely well. I ordered a product about 2 weeks ago and it hasn't arrived as yet. I need it for an event going to take place tomorrow. I see. Could you please provide me your order number? I'll check its present status right away. It's order number 726548. This is the third time consecutively I have called about to know its present status. I understand your frustration. I have already noticed about your previous calls. Let me escalate this issue right away with our shipping department. Tell me, what are they going to do about an on-time delivery? What they do, they will expedite your order at any cost for timely delivery. May I place your call for a brief hold? Meanwhile, I get an update. All right, but please don't keep me waiting too long. I appreciate your patience. I have a good news for you. We can have your order delivered through courier within the next 3 hours. Well, that's a great relief. I appreciate your professionalism for solving this. I'm glad we could resolve this for you. Apart from all that you have already suffered, as a goodwill gesture, we'll also refund your shipping cost. Is there anything else I can help you with?